For all the young girls, this is a surprise. Guess who is with us? None other than Sameer Soni.
Hi. How are you?
Sir?
Good evening. Good evening.
So, you at Kala Ghoda, do you attend this festival every year?
Pretty much, I think. I think invariably I land up here. I've performed here as well, so it's a great ambience and atmosphere. Yeah.
So, what keeps you, drawing back to this place?
I think it's obviously the environment. It's just a lot of things happening, hustle bustle. There's no traffic, there's no noise, and it's culturally it's very pleasing, and especially creative thing. You got good food to eat, and just nice to be here. I think in Bombay, a place like this where you can just walk around, look at various shops and handicraft and stuff is pretty rare. So you get a chance here, it's pretty good. Yeah.
So, about culture and art, so you seem to be a lot interested in them.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm part of a creative field. The cultural thing always interests me. Yeah, absolutely.
So, have you got anything from here? Or
We just got it. I'm having my Kala Khatta here, so let's see what we might pick up something here and probably wait for a show here. So a lot of fun.
So, sir, now that we're from Mumbaikar.com, we'd like to ask you, what do you think of Mumbai in general, where, should fests like these happen more, and are people given the opportunity to showcase their talent?
Oh God, there are a lot of questions there. Are people given enough opportunities? Obviously not enough. The more the merrier, the better. About city, I feel we always one step up and two steps back. Because on one hand, a lot of people get together and there's this consciousness about Mumbaikas, how they feel. On there you have the fundamentalist groups who kind of peg us two steps back. It's really nice that people who are educated, who believe in social causes, can come up and do something about it. So, yeah, but, we don't give up, do we?
Thank you so much, sir. So, we've seen you, we know you. Sandeep Sikha, none other than. Sir, can you tell us do you keep coming to this festival all the way?
Oh yes, I come to Kala Ghoda every year. It's like a ritual. In fact, I just pushed Sameer. I said, okay, let's just go for it because I think Kala Ghoda festival is so typically Bombay. It's Mumbai. It's the festival of your city. So I always come here. Look around, see what is happening, try to attend the cultural events if time permits. But I love this place. It's fabulous.
So, like you said, it's typically Bombay. What about these stalls are so fascinating to you?
What is interesting is the kind of things that are available. Like, I was just walking down and I saw the shelter for sparrows. I didn't even know something like that existed. So that was a great idea. That was really nice, very, very good. So you always get to see a lot of things. Like there are these puppets also, down the road. So you don't get to see these in your daily life. When you come here, that something like this exists and that this is what they do and this is what is made. So it definitely is an eye-opener to what this country has to offer and what this city is a platform to so many cultures and so many art forms and to so much of talent. So it's really fantastic.
So would you like to suggest anything for Kala Ghoda?
I think what I would like to suggest is that if I think you can increase the duration a little bit. I will have it for a few more days, so you can go for 2 weekends. And also on the cultural front, if something more could be done, like like plays or a proper theater pieces and stuff like that, I think that would really make it complete. I think it'll be fantastic.
So what are your views on Mumbai as a city?
Mumbai as a city, I think, is fabulous. I love Mumbai. I'm a hardcore Mumbaiite, and I think that song "Jeena Yahan, Marna Yahan, Iske Siva Jana Kahan" is perfect for Mumbai.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks.
Okay.